Alright, customer states the brakes are not working on this snowplow truck. This vehicle is Hydro Boost, and if you don't have your belt on, then you're not going to have brakes. You know what's awesome is this is actually the plow truck for the dealership that I'm working at, but we're supposed to get an additional 4 or 5 inches of snow on Friday, so they're freaking out about getting it fixed. The belt tensioner is just a little wobbly and it's kind of tough to move. I think the belt was just cracking and it probably flew off, but we're going to replace this anyways because they want me to. Alright, we got our new belt tensioner. I'm going to go ahead and put this thing on, and then I think we have a brake leak in the back, so I'm going to check that out too. That is the question. Also, if you don't know, these double-sided Icon flex wrenches, Icon, are amazing. I've been using them for years now, and they've held up better than the Matco ones that I bought. Just saying. Now we gotta get our belt on. I don't remember how it's routed, and of course everything on here is destroyed. Try to make an educated guess. Okay, belt's on. Okay, we got our new belt and our tensioner on, and we're gonna put the air filter box on, and then we're gonna check to see where the leak's coming from. All right, so it's looking like I'm gonna be subject to Chinese water torture today. But anyway, there is a leak on one of the brake lines on the back axle. I'll go ahead and show that to you guys. Alright, so this line right here, going to the middle of the differential from the wheel, it's got a big hole in it, so we're going to try to fix that. It's our snowplow truck, so I'm not going to replace all the lines. We know it needs all the lines. That is standard practice for a rusty old Silverado. But we're just going to fix this one because we need the plow truck up and running before the snowstorm hits. Oh, but first, we're going to spray it down real good. Spray down the fittings. Let them soak. We may have to use heat to get them off because that's what you do in the rust belt. So we'll see. Let it soak for a little. We're going to cut the lines and put a socket on it. Get you a pair of dikes. Right in the face. I don't know if you guys could see that. Oh man, so much snow. Look at the rusty snow. Oh, bumped the camera. Oopsie. Oh, it came right off. Fuck yeah, dude. I'm gonna go play the lottery. Alright, so we got our fittings out, but I wanted to show you guys that these are double flare fittings. See if you can see that's a double flare. There are several different flares that you can have on a car. You have a bubble flare, a double flare, and a single flare. So you want to make sure that you're doing the right flare. That'll cause the loss of brakes as well. You'll have a leak, you'll never get it to seal, and it won't go together right. That also affects what kind of fittings you use as well.